everyone. 4 cities lie along a straight highway in this order: City A, City B, City D, and City C, and City D. The distance from City A to City B is 3 times the distance from City B to City C. The distance from City C to City D is 4 times the distance from City A to City B. And the distance from City C to City D is 16 miles. Find the distance between cities. So this is how we're going to do it. It said we're going to take each order. So the first part, 4 cities lie along a straight highway. So I'm going to draw a straight highway. All right. And I have City A. I'm going to go ahead and put City D here so I can kind of proportion this. City B and City C. All right. It's not drawn to scale. So we did that. The distance from City A to City B is 3 times the distance from City B to City C. So this is where some students get confused. So if it's 3 times the distance, we're going to let the distance from City B to City C equal X. So that would be X right there. Let's do that. All right. And so the distance from City A to City B is 3 times that. So A to B is 3 times that distance. So you just write it like you hear it, 3 times X. All right. Now, the distance from City A to D is 4 times the distance from City A to City B. So this was supposed to be a B. Sorry about that. So AD equals 4 times AB. That equals 12x. So this whole length from here to here is 12x. So this kind of goes down like that. All right. And then, finally, the distance from City C to City D is 16 miles. So we're going to use the segment addition postulate to solve that. And basically what it means is that if B and C are in between A and D, then A plus B, let's do it like this. Sorry about that. AB plus BC plus CD equals AD. So let's look at this. Here we go. We have it all laid out. I'm going to write this out again. We have AB plus BC plus CD equals AD. And we're also going to check our solution. So let's fill this in by substitution. AB is actually 3x, this part. All right. BC is x. And then CD is going to be 16. And finally, AD is 12x from here. So now we're going to solve for x. So we have 4x plus 16 equals 12x. Use your subtraction property of equality and solve, and you get, this is 0. So you get 16 equals 8x. I'm going to take that out. Just cross this out because that equals 0. So to use your division property of equality and divide both sides by 8, and you get x equals 2. So let's find the distances between city. So we know AB equals 3x. So substitute our x for 2, replace it. So 3 times 2 equals 6. All right. BC equals x. Well, our x happens to be 2. All right. CD was already given, and that equals 16. And our AD equals 12x. Our x happens to be 2, so that's 24. Now I'm going to go right back up to this and squeeze this in. We have AB equals 6, BC equals 2, CD equals 16, and AD equals 24. So we basically have 8 plus 16 equals 24. 24 equals 24. So we did it right. And finally, our solutions, therefore, this is 6, 2, and 16. The distances between cities. And the final distance would be A to D is 24. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
73 degrees outside, man. Get on out here.